Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are building the Supermarine Spitfire Mk.Vb. This is from Airfix and we hope you like it. As you can see, this is the inside of the cockpit. So that's one side, this is the other. There's a few sub-assemblies to go in here. We have the seat and the bulkheads here, and then we started putting the fuselage together. So I've taped them together to make sure they fit. I've fitted the two fuselage halves together, making sure that they have a good fit. We've had to put some filler in here. Wasn't a very good fit, but we've made it work. We've then gone on to stick the fuselage to the wings, and the wings are shaded. I've done the underside as well, shaded them. We then moved on to making sure that the wings were level, and then started adding the air intakes and other bits to the bottom of the aircraft. We then moved on to putting the nose on and the propeller, as well as the exhaust stacks. I wanted to put a motor in the propeller to make it spin, so that's what we've done. We moved on to painting up the aircraft. I used enamel paints with a paintbrush, just because I wanted to see how well it would come out. So we painted it the colors that were on the scheme, and we've started adding the detail in with the paint as well. As you can see, the cables underneath are the motor cables. We shaded in some of the undercarriage, and there's the top of the wings as well. Really fine detail in this plane, really nice, really enjoyed building it. We've moved on to putting the guns on the wings and the light flashing beacon light on the back of it, and there's a brace behind the cockpit, the pilot's head as well. So here's a few other extra pictures once we've done the second coat of paint over the top of it, and I'm pretty happy with it so far. And it's not taken too long to build either. So here we are, we're just throwing some decals on, and we can show you a little bit more when we get back to it. So I'm using the Humbrol decal fix to fix these transfers on. It can be very aggressive, so I always use a little bit of water with it, trying not to melt the decals themselves, otherwise that could be catastrophic. So we're just going on. I put a layer of it on first, then put the decal down. And then use a cotton bud to move it around, get it into the right place, and make sure that it sinks into the panel lines as well. So there we are, there's the main of the decals done, and I'm pretty happy with them. So have a look at some of these photos and we'll get back to you soon. So like I said at the beginning of the video, we did put a motor in the propeller of this one, and here it is. I thought it was really good. We may need to put a resistor in there just to slow it down a bit, because it was moving across the bench as we were testing this. So the cockpit is all finished. I just need to put the glass on. The tail is all clean and tidy and painted. I've started to put some panel liner in to bring the panel lines out and make them pop a bit more. But yeah, I'm really happy with the propeller. It's not 100% balanced, but with what I've worked with, I'm quite happy. So this is the finished product. I've put the cockpit on and we've taken some snazzy photos outside. I just need to put in the heat shrink onto those two cables and then attach it to a battery pack, and then we will be finished. So guys, thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed. Please, if you have, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care everyone, goodbye.